Have you ever noticed how your baby seems to be a little mimic? You stick out your tongue and they stick theirs out. You smile and they beam right back at you. This isn't just a cute trick. It's something scientists call the chameleon effect, or mirroring. But here's the fascinating part. Your baby isn't just copying you. Their brain is actually simulating your actions inside their own body. In those tiny moments, something incredible is happening. Their brain is wiring itself for connection. Today, we're exploring the science behind that magic and how your interactions are literally shaping your baby's brain. This story doesn't begin with babies, it starts with monkeys. In the early 1990s, scientists were studying brain cells that control movement. Every time a monkey picked up a peanut, a specific pattern lit up in its brain. But then something unexpected happened. A researcher picked up a peanut, and the monkey, just watching, showed the exact same brain activity, as if it had done the action itself. That's when scientists discovered something extraordinary: mirror neurons. These are special brain cells that fire not only when we act, but also when we observe someone else acting. In simple terms, your brain reflects the actions of others. This is how we begin to understand intention, emotion, and behavior, by internally mirroring what we see. So, are babies born with this ability? Surprisingly, research suggests that even newborns, just minutes old, can imitate simple facial expressions, like sticking out their tongue. Think about that. They've never seen their own face, yet somehow they match what they see with what they feel. This suggests something powerful. Humans may be born with a built-in system designed for connection. Still, scientists debate whether this system is fully formed at birth or shaped through experience. But one thing is clear. By the time a baby turns 1, these mirroring abilities become a key part of how they learn from the world. And this is where you come in. Your baby can't see their own expressions, so how do they learn what a smile feels like? You become their mirror. When you reflect your baby's expressions, when you smile back, mimic their sounds, or respond to their emotions, you are giving their brain essential information. You are helping them build connections between what they see and what they feel. In a very real sense, you are helping construct their social brain. But mirror neurons don't just help with movement, they are deeply connected to empathy. When you see someone get hurt and you instinctively wince, that's your brain mirroring their pain. For babies, empathy develops step by step. At first, they feel what others feel. A crying baby will cry simply because another baby is crying. Later, they begin to recognize emotions, but still respond in their own way, like offering you their favorite toy when you're sad. Over time, these small steps grow into true understanding, and your role is crucial. When you mirror your baby's emotions, when you name their feelings and reflect their expressions, you are teaching them how to understand others. You're teaching them how to read the world. The good news is, you don't need a lab to support this development. Simple, everyday interactions make all the difference. Be mindful of your own behavior, because your child is always watching and learning. Spend time face-to-face, mirroring their expressions even in small moments. Encourage imaginative play, where they can step into someone else's role. And when you read together, talk about how characters feel. Ask questions, spark curiosity. These small actions strengthen the very systems that allow your child to connect, understand, and empathize. For a long time, people believed humans were wired mainly for survival and self-interest, but discoveries like mirror neurons suggest something deeper. We are wired for connection, for understanding, for empathy, and every time you mirror your baby's smile, you're doing more than playing. You're shaping a brain that is built to care, a brain that is built to connect, and that might be one of the most powerful things you'll ever do.